abusa comedian is what the state attorney general Dr. Dominica Kurutenga Ayene the two just say waba news in the media no someone for abe clash with him concerning the issue of ORAL also be kan simi na nsem ama apeja anya no nko a he eyika ho bi kinfata nsem ehyemu bi ana face na how as Asem ba for NDC appointees ho a how was he handle no Ghana for no abeke command pa area actually the state attorney general I Penyah block media mess was any demo obe like if video no other ma body subscribe button na click notification icon no latest update na ba chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no share for so enya bia hwe so it was on Saturday no and the state attorney general PM e wo Joy TV and I say Joy News program to the news for okopiem ho say obe address Ghana for on many issues as I dey back tackle here Kenofurata the arrest and detention in USA any the extradition process of Ghana any ade or can one sem ho no mo oh yeah better see ORAL that is operation recover all loot on say eba say our black car say ORAL no they can recover $21.9 billion for this country. They can recover these monies to support Ghana's growth but eba yante e den na ho be hia say ne ORAL no you better be free the state attorney general say most of the complaints now receive at their end they don't make sense and you can't use them in the court of law.
That was projected from the over 2,000 cases,
417 cases,
cases that were contained in the oral report, and it was a rough back of the envelope estimate of what is capable of being collected. Very soon in this year, I'm sure things will start dripping into the government chest with respect. Money will start flowing into the government chest with respect to ORAL. The question whether we will be able to get exactly the 21 billion projected is one that I cannot answer with mathematical certainty at this point in time. All right, but I'm doing a great deal of work with local and foreign partners. In the local, I have the Economic and Organized Crime Office, the EOCO, and then NIB helping me, and then I also have a special investigations team that works directly to the Attorney General. That team is a very a clandestine team, of investigators, very seasoned investigators who are working directly, to me. So very soon, things will, cash will start flowing into the public. This in Kitty. So, for instance, in respect of DRIP, I can say with certainty that we have been able to, with working with GRA, okay, we've been able to, establish that 22 million Ghana cedis of tax, was evaded as far as the DRIP transaction was concerned.
The company appears to challenge those figures.
That is what they are saying, right? So our initial estimate of the tax evaded was 38.7 million, all right? But we do not have the power, right, to say, with exactitude that a tax has been evaded. So in July of last year, I wrote to the GRA for confirmation. All right. Then the reason why I'm saying that I'm speaking with certainty with regard to the 22 million is because GRA just last week confirmed that figure. So it doesn't matter. And the company itself wrote a letter saying that they have they were re-warehousing some of the items that were cleared, as exempt when they were not supposed to attract exemption.
Very Leo. See. Hey, and and you don't quite that same way. Other ORAL committee members so can something similar to that. So just say some of the complaints we receive it was just mere gossip. Just it doesn't hold water. It doesn't hold water. Most of their complaints were baller. Complaints now a baller. Any other day, it doesn't hold water. Now I'm commanded to us now. Yes, I was attending a question. I said, Eba says corruption scandal. I say cases against your party members, that is your NDC party members. I said, how is it handled? No. I said, this although being a timony homo brobi, but say for opposition party member who I said, handle that issue with a big eye. Why? I know this answer we buy.
People you are putting on trial now, or you have put on trial now,
Yes.
if they come seeking a plea deal, you will not grant them.
No, that's
Except
not what I'm
that
saying.
you will grant them on the basis of they being convicted.
Well, I will be happy if they plead guilty under Section 35, for instance, of the Cost Act.
Okay.
They plead guilty, they make restitution, and then they get a non-custodial sentence. That is the law. That is
And a
what...
restitution of 60% will be acceptable?
Not necessarily 60%. I would be happy to have 100% restitution. All right, that's what I'll be aiming for. But if they make significant restitution and, within the context of the judicial process, we think that this is, something we should accept.
The accusation is that if you accepted it for a member of your party, you should accept it for members of the opposition as well.
Well, for the members of my party, as you are saying, I didn't see them as such. I saw them as Ghanaians who were, being, prosecuted. And I had assessed the situation, and I thought that this, ought not to have gone to court in the first place. But I took a strong position, and I imposed the 60% on them.
And
they didn't offer me 60%.
In their case,
yes,
they don't get convicted. They walk free without a criminal record over them.
That is so.
But in these cases, if they are going through the plea bargain according to the Plea Bargain Act, so to speak, the amendment, they must first appear before a court, plead guilty, they'll be convicted. They are ex-convicts for life.
Well,
before you accept their money. And they are giving you in excess of 70%, and you are declining.
I don't think that, they necessarily have to plead guilty. My view of the plea bargain regime doesn't convince me that they have to necessarily plead guilty.
Yes, the OSP, the Jumana, the state attorney general, and I say, partiality. How else we see handle, the same way, and handle be. Now, commutation, in fact, or problem will be so. Now, Anna committee as our Ghana for now. And then the state attorney general, that's what the recruiting guy in the Abe class. Now, winning small or more air catcher.
Would you want no dong right? A bingo Ghana for Munkancha a buying lawyer penny say the Ghana for any chin quasia watcho. Yes, you're niching quasia watcher Ghana for and they ain't quatia a buying lawyer penny. You know what that operation recover all loot no. Oral team Ghana for and no mecancha was a sebi and they know we are not don I am quasia don't I artism. Na case na a woman don't know what me and Franco court na ASN artism. Na atesem no so no se nyini nyara ede eye no kre enti no case ye da o mani mistake ye kwa gisika NPP fu gisika ye kwa gisika ndi abre o man no o man aye de aye no ene wo se asem dodo na anyere atesem dodo na anya ampa Ghana fo mo hwe anyansa wo di wakache na de se twama wo kra mpo de se wo se former ye friends national security coordinator Joseph Treme kono nkwatiasia kobe hudmo odibedi no Ghana weti o wose watiasia ankobe hudmo odibedi no ankobe china to Ghana fo mumusa nso mo tiase no ede no de aye o mu munkante se san man wonya nu dwa no se wonya nu dwa no na san kwase nu dwa no Ghana fo se se de ye ya ju se betie bi wonchi wo mu o mo so o mo diska no wonchi o mo first kan ye dai emre wo man no Ghana ne dai Ghana emfa ne tuma pen emfra ade an kwase aboche na anytime bia ye social media so na wonam na okeka de open no kwade kwa ya du wutimi susu nya adwuma so je adwuma no to ne mu obi me dey emme ya adwuma no Ghana fo se mo no me ya adwuma me se fam sanye dey mark ma so yes from saba akoma so anya me ya wo wi bia prasa na no se me aso dey afolo me na wasa atra se ye hu se oral team no se ye nkwase information ne guta mu dey 2028 still possible yes still possible Ghana fo na wo shama me
Ghana for quick one fast forward. And Attorney General Dominic Ayeni. Edi ababe to just the ORAL team cases noa Yebekaya in 2025. Buying a pow ORAL team Euro created to Abrakwa and the former DCOP Kofi Boache Eda Nono and Martin Pewu Ekahono. Sa team no investigation a omo ye nyina no. Enye ni nyina na ebe kokot. That's what Attorney General is telling us. Na or part rese cases na omo de pa na bi wo ho a any merit and I say awodin bi anim nti enye bi na ebe kokot. Now the toso bio the Deputy Attorney General and so the ababa betu just say sika bi ana ye bo ni din over 21 billion US dollars no estimated by the ORAL team say omasaka no ene ono Deputy Attorney General esinepo ka say sika no omo hu baby a ewo they cannot recover it and as a sascano and yet they won't beat me a recover sascano and that entire scanning in it means to say sicano anyhow we cannot recover the entire 21 billion US dollars. We cannot recover the 21 billion US dollar estimate by the ORAL team. That is what the Deputy Attorney General eka. Na me pese we aso na utie press conference Deputy the Attorney General deputy no or have in 2025.
Now on the issue of how much we're chasing, right? I didn't get a response to that. Are we still looking at around $21 million? Are we looking at more? And how much of that is realistically recoverable?
No, so like I indicated, that is information. The evidence we are receiving shows that that amount will not be a fair assessment of what can be recovered. In other words, it is a bit on the high side than what we are receiving from the evidence.
Right. Let's do some specifics now. You received a lot. You have zeroed in, just spoke specifically about the NSA scandal, but a lot of people are also concerned about the National Cathedral because there were a lot of accusations about perceived corruption, some evidence that was brought into the public domain, especially in the last part of 2024. So how far with the National Cathedral?
The National Cathedral is on. The investigations are ongoing. What we have now is a question of auditing. So we have engaged external auditors who are trying to quantify how much is recoverable. And don't forget that the main issue with the National Cathedral was one of priority. So Ghanaians were angry with that project because it came at a time where things were hard for Ghanaians. People's pension were not being paid. People were being given haircut as we knew it. And then we are building a cathedral. I think that was the main point of anger, but that is not a crime. I mean, it's a government priority. If government says that I'll let the people die and I'll build a cathedral, you can't really charge the government for making that decision. The punishment for that is when you subject yourself to popular elections, they will vote against you, but you cannot bundle a government and say you are building a cathedral.
Are investigations leading anywhere? Do you think that?
Oh yes, definitely. Monies were spent which did not get the right or the proper approval, the legal approval. And so that is why I said auditing to quantify that amount of money.
And this audit is different from what we already know to be in the public domain?
Yeah, that is different. Like I said, when what we have in the public domain is information generally saying that you have spent this amount of money, but not that whole amount is criminal. A component of it were spent without proper approval. That is what we are trying
to. That's what you're zeroing in.
Exactly.
Okay, but there's also the issue of public lands and the sale of public lands. A quick update on that.
Yeah. So on the.
Repacho Shady Dasuri, OSP, Attorney General, and the Deputy, Nina Omabejia Tumabekase. A year $21 billion. Omoka say NPP are buying a via anunti omote hu ora no say omote ora no na ora na receive sa $21 billion wa bra omuni abem omuni any evidence omonfa charge mo obia ana ombeka sa asem to Ghana for 3 intine say ugina babia na say bibi e koso NDC amamuemu na say wo sunu say enkoye wo kokape no I can't trust MP before Cronfo and no movie, but independent any source of baby or cast will be a real sicano. So be a real scanner than it to me, Sicano we a woman be. I know mammy be so a chrono, the Yanchi in Ayentum. And the assembly say they incite Ghanaians to have some anger issues against the NPP. Sisi Attorney General no buy on Becabo Mute, your friend is saying Operation Loot all the no. Omumu say sa 21 billion. Omonje one city crowd. Omonje one city crowd no masa be catch Ghana for say nya de ombeti maje say sika ni nyina. Enti nyema omo be catch Ghana for nya no kure bia ni ho no ma e wo sansem ni. Enti da bia me catch say o de wa ba ban mu. Me nto aba ma political party say omra machi obi ntum da bi. Je obetimi aye nipa brabo ne yempuntu obekọ nanim nipa asetena bekọ nanim enti na meto aba enti se yato aba ma ona se waba emfa otan ne abufo bi nhye omanfo no muntia political party no obaye no obehwe onkratam ba akukura na ubehu se nipa wei yehwe ne nkratam no ade wei na yaso ne mu se ne nsa aka anase yensa aka free ho no je ne kotuma period utimi quote amount $21 billion aden Sisi asase kan musimu ntime nje emfa magana fo mutwe muta mo bechi dia magana fo mutwe muta ba bia asase kan bi muhu se asase kan o mudi because asase kan we mo bo odin nya no mo bo odin tu din enye ne kuta nkrata kuje to ni tiri hu se national calabash no kuta nkrata no odi animu no organic press conferences no oguni panimas na mo bo ni padin tarnishing the image of innocent people anybody innocent because on for charge bia mo no nti ka oka we nya na ko nya evidence bi na ka wo de abono who Attorney General look at what he's saying nti o man ye koy anase e bai o man ye koy anase e bai ye wo hanu say na mo say match container na mo che no it contains dollars billions of cedis plus billions I go the woman it's worth billions of dollars allegedly mo say eye alaji bidia sa alaji na ene dia ya antini din da sa container na sika ni gold na de woman ya antini ye ho asem kosi ye. I have told you sir this NDC this government are all really Ghana is here why NDC government like NDC fonti no buy nti asema wo court wa cancel no Attorney General why NDC Attorney General why Attorney General for Ghana sansem ni nyina ye sisi Ghana for review say NDC aban buy wo ko che container gold dollars ne Ghana cedis aye mumma ye hu de ekosi ye Operation Loot all the and ye hu de ekosi ye ana monam na che se de mu baye bia mu fi se Ghana for be so musu ntie em de ato eho Attorney General wo I was say wa resign wo Attorney General I was say wa resign
hey kanye Ghana for se Ghana Attorney General Dominic Akrotingi ayene wasaka no biemo anra oko news file wasadi Asem foforo sa bebom odi ade ba akoma na onye nwie na wasade foforo abeka ho mo ma beka che se ankofo di sika operation recover all loot mo kwaji sika nya brey mo nya kwaji sika ni nwie anra oko news file no wasaka ka Asem foforo ade a kire Samson Ladi ayene ne wose Oma uncover 22 million Ghana cedis tax evasion. Aya drip machines His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne na ban ekra de ba Ghana no. Ho taxes ne nioma no. Oma uncover say obi edi 22 million Ghana cedis. Eti obeji size kanamba. Mosemo kwaji 21.6 billion US dollars. Every oral. Sisi amene mo kasai 1 cedi. Muntimi nyi magana ban enra usa kotrasia u be ka kire se u kwa kwaji 22 million Ghana cedis e de abre Attorney General okasa too much me hu Attorney General okasa ti say Dominic ayene da sakasa bebrebe ne free action speaks louder than words man tinasene ya adwuma go to court and recover all loot never Ghana ban ne ja dede na obetena radio so awoye no wo de mumienti asem okaye
from the 2 million you had flagged.
Right, the $2 million US has also been flagged. Okay, so, and I'm going to pursue them for that $2 million because, I mean, it's very, very clear from our evidence that they were overpaid by $2 million. So I'm going to, in addition to the 22 that has been confirmed by GRA, I'm going to, pursue them for that.
When should Ghanaians expect the projected 21 billion US dollars from the oral? Because that's what we're told.
Well, I like the way you have characterized it, projected. That was projected, from the over 2,000, cases.
417 cases.
Yeah, cases that, were contained in the oral report. And it was a rough, back of the envelope estimate of what, is capable of being, collected. Very soon in this year, I'm sure things, will start, dripping into the government chest with respect. Money will start flowing into the government chest with respect to oral. The question whether we will be able to get exactly the 21 billion projected is one that I cannot answer with mathematical certainty at this point in time. All right, but I'm doing a great deal of work with local and foreign partners.
Already. Tenasruwa, why? Memma. Na ubadia ye besino enye papa. Na we nyina no ye de ani di akire emre ene nkrabia ene bekire. Namaste.
Chira wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media.